Hi friends, in this session we will going to see the how to do the CRD data analysis in Excel. Here we consider two replications and 20 treatments, and this is for equal number of replications or observations or plots. Okay, in this design we can consider the character. You can just change the color. I'll make it red. Okay, just I'll consider the plant weight in gram. Okay, you consider this parameter or character for the analysis for CRD design. Okay, you can see here you have the total 20 treatments and you have the replication 1 and replication 2. You can consider it plot 1 or plot 2, or also you can consider as a observation 1 and observation 2. So here you need to input your data. Just you can do the input manually like this. You can type the values, whatever values you obtained from your research, so you need to put here. Or if you have the values in Excel, then just copy, then come to design, just select first cell, right click, and you see here paste options. You'll get here the values option. You just click on it. Okay, this is fully automatic design, so you need to just copy paste your data, or if you want to any modification in that data, you just click whatever values you want to modify. I'll show you at the end of this lecture. Okay, so I'll explain what you will get in this design. Okay, we will make this type of Excel sheets as a custom Excel sheet. If you want this type of Excel sheet, then definitely you contact me. I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. You just click on the link and just contact me, but it's a paid design if you want, and we do the data analysis also for any design. So if you have any query related data or related your research, then definitely ask me. I'll give you all the answers. Okay, so you can see what you will get in this Excel sheet. So you'll get here the treatment total, then treatment average. Below this you can see here you'll get the grand total. Okay, here you can get the replication total, replication average, but this is CRD design, so we don't consider the replications. Okay, below this it is a very important table, that is ANOVA table, that is analysis of variance table. Okay, let me okay, you can see here this is very important table for your research point of view, and this is final thesis table also. I will explain at the end. Okay, you can see here the source of variation. In ANOVA table of CRD design, we consider the treatment as a source of variation, then error you can call it residual. Okay, and below that you will get the total. Then you can see here the degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom for treatment t minus 1, then degrees of freedom for error n minus t, and degrees of freedom for total n minus 1. You can see here we consider 20 treatment, so that our t minus 1, that is treatment degrees of freedom 19. And very important exam point of view, many times ask degrees freedom EDF, that is error degrees of freedom, EDF, error degrees of freedom formula. Many times ask in the examination what is the error degree of freedom EDF formula for RBD or CRD design. Okay, so this is the formula, you remember it. After that you will get the SS, that is the sum of square. Okay, this is the calculation part. For example, if we consider the treatments, then what includes this includes the square of this total, and we need to make the square of all the 20 treatments, and then we need to sum it. divided by number of replications, and we need to subtract the correction factor, that is here correction factor. Then you will get the sum of square. Then you can see here mean sum of square. I'll write the here formula for the mean sum of square. Okay, mean sum of square means sum of square divided by degrees of freedom, that is mean sum of square. Also for the mean sum of square for error, you can do same calculation. Then f calculated, you will get the f calculated with the help of mean sum of square for treatment divided by mean sum of square for error. Okay, very important. In our Excel sheet, you will get the f table value for the 5%, then f table value for the 1%. Okay, and then also you will get the significance. In significance, you will get two terms over here. First is ns, that is non-significant, and another one is the significant one. Okay, non-significant, it means there is no difference between the treatments or among the treatments. Okay, so all the treatments giving the same yield or same weight, like that. If there is significant, there is a difference between the treatments. You keep in mind, if this is non-significant, then don't calculate CD and post hoc analysis. Okay, and if here is significant, then go for the CD analysis and post hoc analysis. If you have need any information regarding the post hoc analysis, then definitely ask me in the comment box. I will definitely going to help you how to do the post hoc analysis of your analyzed data. Okay, so below that you will get the another table. You can see here the correction factor. Already we used that correction factor in sum of square calculation. Below that you will get the CV value. This CV is always in percentage. Okay, here is a 32%, it means it's a very high CV. Okay, so here is the rule which is said by the statisticians. If your experiment is lab experiment or control environment experiment, okay, then CV value should be less than or equal to 5%. Okay, and for all field experiments, CD should be greater than 5 and less than or equal to 20%. Keep in mind these two values. These two are very important. Okay, so another table, you will get the CD value at 5% and CD value at 1%. Okay, below that you can see here you will get the graphical representation of your data, but before that you can see here the your final thesis table. On the basis of final thesis table, we will plot the graph. So you can see here your final thesis table. You see here the treatment average, it means simply you call it treatment mean. Okay, and below that you will get the standard error plus minus, then CD value at 5%. If you want any other value, then definitely ask me. Definitely I will put that value in our sheet, because it's a totally or fully customizable sheet as per your research. If you want to buy this type of sheet, then definitely contact me. You will get my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video, so just contact me. It's a paid sheet, please remember, it's a paid sheet. Okay, below that you will get, okay, see here you will get the character name. Okay, just what we consider the character over here for the analysis, that is plant weight in gram. So you can give the name here, plant weight in gram, and just below you need to give the axis titles. For axis title you can give here the treatments, and here also put the same character name with the unit, that is plant weight in gram. Okay, you can customize all the things in this design, and it's a very easy and real-time design. For example, if you want to change any value real-time and you need to see the changes in the C value, you can do like this. For example, this is 454 and I need to make it 300. See here, our CV is reduced 30.16. Okay. Likewise, real time, you can see here the result. Whatever modification you want to do, you can just modify the values and you will get the real time result. So that's why we are providing this type of soft copies of Excel sheet. Then definitely you want to buy, then definitely contact us. We will give you pricing, and then if you like the pricing, then you buy from us. If any query regarding this design or regarding any other design, just ask me in the comment box. Definitely I will going to answer. Thank you so much for watching.